Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick example on how to use the Lightning Network to send Bitcoin from Cash App to another source. Now that source that you're sending the Bitcoin to over the Lightning Network has to be compatible with this, and we're going to be creating a Lightning invoice that we can use in Cash App. Now, of course, you can also send your Bitcoin on-chain through Cash App, but again, this is going to be an example using a Lightning invoice so that we can greatly reduce the fees and increase the speed at which this transaction occurs. So what I'm going to do is create my Lightning invoice over on my ZBD wallet. So I'm going to open that up. And if you're interested in getting a ZBD Bitcoin wallet for Lightning transactions, I'll post a link to their app down in the description if you'd like to check it out. But what I'm going to be doing from here is clicking on where it says receive, creating a Lightning invoice, and let's just say we're going to do a really small amount. Let's just say just 500 Satoshis, which currently is about 43 cents US dollars. We're going to go next, and anyone can pay this, so I'm going to create this invoice. My Lightning invoice has been created, and I'm on a countdown now. It needs to be used within the next 10 minutes for it to work, so I'm going to copy down this Lightning invoice, and that invoice has been copied. So now I'm going to head back to my homepage and open up Cash App. And then from the Cash App homepage, what I'm going to do is click on this little icon here in the bottom left-hand corner. And then from our money page, what I'm going to do is click on where it says Bitcoin. And this is going to be a transfer, so I'm going to select that option. And this is going to be sending Bitcoin over the Lightning Network. It's important to note that you also have the option to scan the QR code with your camera of that Lightning invoice. And if you have not already given Cash App permission to use your camera to do this, then you can select while using this app to allow that permission. And then, like I said, you can scan the QR code of that Lightning invoice. Otherwise, we can paste it in. And it really shouldn't matter too much what we enter in on this page, because since I've already created that Lightning invoice, that 43 cents or about that much is going to be what I'm sending. But I'm just going to enter that amount in here anyways, going on to the next page. And then I'm going to paste in that Lightning invoice to the to area, going to paste that in, and then I'm going to select that Lightning invoice right here to confirm it, and then click on next. And then we can see the information of that Lightning invoice, and if everything looks good, we can click on where it says confirm and pay. And then I need to confirm this using my Cash App PIN. And this should be a pretty quick transaction since it's going over the Lightning Network. So I get a check mark here, and I have sent that small amount of Bitcoin, so I can click done. And now I'm going to head back over to my ZBD wallet to see this transaction. And right when I opened it, it says payment received with a check mark. So I'm going to close that. And if I open up my Satoshis, it should be in my transactions history. And I can see that I received that payment right here of 500 Satoshis from Cash App. And we should be all good to go. So that is the process on how to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App to some other source using the Lightning Network. And that'll wrap this one up. So I appreciate you guys stopping by, and consider subscribing for more content in the future.